For years, we relied on massive centralized cloud platforms, the hyperscalers, to handle our data. Everything from sensors on machines to kiosks in stores would send data all the way to the cloud for processing. Once it was handled, the results would come back. It worked, until it didn't. The problem? In a world that runs on real-time decisions, milliseconds, not minutes, waiting just isn't an option anymore. The decision needs to be just in time. That's why the world is moving to edge computing. Edge computing flips and enhances the current architecture and makes decisions decentralized. However, the metadata can still be stored in the centralized cloud. Instead of sending all your data to the cloud, you process it right where it's created. That means faster decisions, less bandwidth usage, and more control. For businesses, this isn't just a technical evolution, it's a strategic necessity. Take retail, for instance. If you can't react to customer behavior the moment it happens, that's lost revenue. In healthcare, the stakes are even higher. Delay can cost lives. And no matter the industry, moving massive amounts of data to the cloud and back, it's not just slow, it's expensive. At Rakuten, we saw this coming as early as 2017. That's when we started building Rakuten Cloud, a platform designed from the ground up for this new world of distributed real-time computing. So what exactly is this new model? Think of it as a network of micro data centers, small, powerful processing hubs deployed close to where data is generated. In a retail store, on a factory floor, at the edge of a mine or port, wherever the action is happening. These edge locations aren't just passive endpoints anymore. They're smart, dynamic, and capable of making decisions on the spot. And they're not isolated. They're part of a distributed architecture that can scale, adapt, and keep things running, even if a central data center goes down. That's a big deal for business continuity. There's some powerful forces pushing this change. Real-time responsiveness is one. The ability to make decisions the moment data appears is no longer a bonus. It's a basic table stakes requirement. There's also data sovereignty and security. Many countries now require data to be stored and processed locally. And of course, the rise of IoT. Devices like cameras, kiosks, and sensors need to talk to something nearby, not something thousands of miles away. But we also recognize the journey to edge and cloud-native computing isn't simple. It takes time, especially if you're stuck with legacy infrastructure and vendor lock-in. It's complex. Moving data-intensive apps isn't plug-and-play. You need the right skills, and let's be honest, those can be hard to find. But with the right plan, build and run strategy, this transformation can be achieved without massive lift and shift from existing to new, and without compromising business continuity. The transformation can be achieved over phases with minimum disruption, whilst being mindful of costs. We've tackled these challenges head-on with Rakuten Cloud. Instead of bolting on features or hiding limitations behind fancy GUIs and licensing schemes, we've built a truly unified system, where containers and virtual machines can run side by side, share resources, and be managed the same way. That means fewer silos, lower costs, and way less operational complexity. One can start small and scale as you expand, without compromising the end result or business disruption. You can run modern apps and legacy systems together at the edge. No need to choose between what you have and what you want to build next. You containerize where it makes sense and leave what works alone. Of course, managing distributed infrastructures brings its own challenges. You need simple deployment, strong data protection, smart automation, and scalable security. Rakuten Cloud delivers with what we call the lean edge. It's a low-footprint, efficient platform that can start with a single node and grow to tens of thousands of clusters. It's packed with optimizations, from compression and incremental backups to policy-driven disaster recovery and NUMA-aware autoscaling. Even if a node fails, everything reconnects automatically. We've also made it easier to deploy full application pipelines with smart placement rules to ensure each piece lands where it will perform best. This goes beyond basic Kubernetes. It's about real-world performance across real-world infrastructure. One thing to note, While Edge may have you managing thousands of clouds, the Rakuten Cloud solution simplifies this process by allowing you to oversee all your clouds effortlessly from one centralized location. Experience unparalleled ease and efficiency with our seamless single pane of glass management system. And it's already working and deployed for scale. We are witnessing a remarkable shift among customers in the FMGC sector as they embrace our innovative solution. Not only are we deployed in the largest mobile network, but we have also been deployed in the world's largest fast food retailer. Our platform revolutionizes key operations, such as point-of-sale POS systems, inventory management, back-end order processing, security, human resources, and other custom applications, all seamlessly integrated into a single unified cloud platform. Utilizing commodity hardware, we ensure robust security and deliver just-in-time data, empowering businesses to operate more efficiently than ever before. In retail, we empower organizations to manage intelligent inventory, self-checkout, curbside pickup, and comprehensive store back-end operations on this centralized platform, enabling them to scale effortlessly, resulting in higher productivity and efficiency planning to drive more profitability. In the healthcare industry, our cutting-edge technology delivers diagnostics and remote services right at the patient's side. With advanced sensors that predict incidents based on real-time patterns, we enable healthcare providers to target preventative care more effectively. For the public sector, our edge computing solutions are crucial in meeting government regulations regarding data residency and sovereignty. We are addressing manufacturing and mining by optimizing operations through scalable and secure data processing. With AI-driven insights, you can achieve smarter resource management, predictive maintenance, and significantly improved efficiency. Our applications extend to vital areas such as immigration, land records, weather forecasting, and emergency planning for citizen evacuation and routing. For data center providers, Rakuten Cloud enables them to maximize profitability by accelerating time to market for new services, simplify operations with user-friendly management tools, and significantly lower operations costs through automation. And we are our own customer, running 400,000 plus cells in Rakuten Mobile on Rakuten Cloud. Embracing our solution not only enhances operational efficiency, but also empowers organizations to lead in their respective fields, secure in the knowledge that they're equipped for the future. So yes, we're moving to the edge, not just because it's faster, or cheaper, or more secure. We're moving because that's where the future is being built. In real time, right at the source.